My name is Lebohang Mabetwa and I'm the principal technician at ASRI. ASRI is an Aerospace Research Institute and we develop and make and launch rockets. What you see behind me here is a 6-axis lathe machine. We actually use this machine to cut material that we use in order to assemble the rocket that we send to space. At the moment, what you see here, I'm running what we call a bonnet part. And a bonnet part is one of the parts that we use for the pressure regulator that we use to launch the rocket that you see behind me. Today, it has been an exceptional and happy day for me to actually be part of the advanced manufacturing facility for ASRI. It's actually a game-changing facility for us, and it will help us to develop and create things in South Africa that will help us and take us into the next level. So I'm happy to be meeting the DG today, and everything that has been happening here has been a marvel and quite a milestone to watch. It will go down in the history books with ASRI and both the University of KwaZulu-Natal, and I'm happy to be part of history. Thank you.